Hi, Shirley from Shirley Patterns here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this knitting swatch. So you can put it on cardigans, actually make a lovely blanket for a baby. This would. It's really thick, it's like ribbon I suppose. Yeah, very nice. Might have to do one. There's the back. I mean, that's not too bad either, to be honest. So that is definitely the front. So I'm going to start right now with this lilac. It is a 6-stitch repeat with 2 extra stitches and 2 edge stitches, and I've got on here 16 stitches, which is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2 edge stitches and 2 extra stitches. And I've just done a small border to get started. Okay, so row 1, first stitch, knit into the back, and then it's knit 2, 1, 2, and then you repeat from here. Is that stitch is round the wrong way. Purl 1, yarn over needle, or I should say purl 1, yarn round needle, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over. That stitch is round the wrong way as well. Purl 1, knit 2. So that's a repeat. So that was the edge stitch, knit 2, which was the 2 extra stitches, and then you need a purl, yarn round needle, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, purl 1, knit 2. Okay, we'll do that again. Purl 1, yarn round needle, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, purl 1, knit 2, and the last stitch is a slip stitch with your yarn at the front. That's what gives it a nice edge at the top. Row 2 is knit into the front of knit into the back of the first stitch, and it's purl 2, and then it's knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, purl, 2. That's the repeat. So that's your edge stitch, and then you purl 2, and then it's knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2. So let's repeat that. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, slip your last stitch. Okay, so row 3 is knit into the back of the first stitch, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2 together, yarn round needle, purl 1, knit 2. Okay, show you that again. Edge stitch, knit 2, and then your repeat is purl 1, knit 2 together, yarn round needle, purl 1, knit 2. So we'll do that again. Whoops. Purl 1, knit 2 together, yarn round needle, purl 1, knit 2, yarn to the front, slip your last stitch. Row 4 is knit into the back of your first stitch, and then it's purl 2, and then the repeat is knit 1, oh, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2. Okay, edge stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2. So we'll repeat that. Knit 1, oops, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, slip your last stitch. And there it is. That is the beginning of that swatch knitting design. Let's bring in the large one. That's just the 4 rows, and I think it looks really great. Really great. And the edging. If you like that edging, I will put a link in it down below because we have another video to show you how to do that. It's really easy, very uniformed, and very nice and thick and warm, I think. So that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, short and sweet as it was. If you have, like, share, subscribe. If you haven't, that's fine. And happy knitting.